Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to set Mozilla Firefox as your default browser. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. You can see here I am here in Mozilla Firefox. On the top you will find these three lines. Go over here and go to settings. Now you can find different options over here. On the top on general you'll find this make default. You can see here Firefox is not your default browser. To make it the default browser, click on this make default. And you can see Firefox is currently your default browser. So in this way we can set Mozilla Firefox as our default browser. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.